Laminate flooring has become increasingly popular thanks to its durability, affordability, and stylish appearance, creating strong demand for reliable cutting tools. Whether you're a DIY homeowner or a professional installer, choosing the right floor cutter can save time and improve accuracy. This guide evaluates each product based on cutting performance, build quality, ease of use, versatility, and overall value to help you make the best purchase decision.
Product number 1. 13-inch Pro Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter with Floor Installation Kit. 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degrees instant cuts in one step. The 13-inch Pro Laminate Vinyl Floor Cutter with Floor Installation Kit is an excellent choice for homeowners and professional flooring installers who need fast, accurate, and dust-free cuts. Designed to handle laminate, luxury vinyl plank, LVP, engineered wood, and similar flooring materials, this cutter delivers clean results without requiring electricity or generating harmful dust. One of its biggest advantages is the built-in angle guide that allows quick 15 degrees, 30 degrees, and 45 degree cuts in a single step. This significantly reduces installation time, especially when working around corners and door frames. The included flooring installation kit adds extra value by providing essential tools needed for a complete flooring project. Its heavy-duty steel construction ensures durability, while the extended handle provides excellent leverage, making cutting easier with minimal effort. The non-slip base enhances stability and improves safety during use.
Product number 2. Marshalltown Ultralight Flooring Cutter 13-inch, assembled in the USA. The Marshalltown Ultralight Flooring Cutter is designed for professionals who prioritize portability without sacrificing cutting performance. Proudly assembled in the USA, this lightweight cutter easily handles laminate flooring, vinyl plank, engineered flooring, and other resilient materials. Its aluminum frame dramatically reduces weight compared to traditional steel cutters, making transportation between job sites much easier. Despite the lighter build, the cutter remains exceptionally stable thanks to its well-balanced design and strong cutting blade. The long ergonomic handle generates excellent cutting leverage, allowing users to make smooth cuts with minimal physical effort. It produces clean, chip-free edges while eliminating dust, sparks, and electrical cords. Another advantage is its maintenance-free design. Since it operates manually, there are no motors or batteries that require servicing. Professionals who regularly install flooring will appreciate its reliability and consistent performance.
Product number 3. Skill 360102 Flooring Saw with 36T Contractor Blade. The Skill 360102 Flooring Saw is an outstanding powered cutting solution for installers who require precision and versatility. Unlike manual cutters, this flooring saw can tackle laminate, hardwood, engineered wood, and various flooring materials with remarkable speed and consistency. Equipped with a high-quality 36-tooth carbide contractor blade, it produces exceptionally smooth cuts with minimal chipping. The adjustable miter gauge supports accurate angle cuts, while the integrated dust collection port helps maintain a cleaner workspace. Its compact tabletop design makes it highly portable compared to larger table saws, making it ideal for flooring contractors working on multiple projects. The folding stand and lightweight construction also simplifies storage and transportation. Although louder than manual cutters, the increased cutting capacity and professional-grade precision make it an excellent investment for demanding flooring jobs.
Product number 4. Works Zip Snip Cordless Electric Scissors Works OX082L.2. The Works Zip Snip Cordless Electric Scissors offer a unique solution for light-duty flooring and home improvement projects. While primarily designed for cutting cardboard, fabric, plastic, and carpet, they also perform well when trimming vinyl flooring, underlayment, and thin installation materials. Powered by a rechargeable 4-volt lithium battery, these cordless scissors eliminate manual strain while delivering surprisingly smooth cuts. Their lightweight and ergonomic design make them comfortable during extended use, especially for users with limited hand strength. Safety remains one of its strongest features. The dual safety switch prevents accidental activation, making it safer than many conventional utility knives. Although not intended for thick laminate planks, the Zip Snip is an excellent companion tool for flooring installers who frequently cut packaging, underlayment, insulation, or carpet during installation.
Product number 5. Mantis Tall 13-inch Pro SPC LVP LVT WPC Flooring Cutter LVT 330. The Mantis Tall 13-inch Pro Flooring Cutter LVT 330 is specifically engineered for modern rigid core flooring materials, making it one of the most versatile manual cutters currently available.
It handles SPC, LVP, LVT, WPC, PVC, VCT, and many other resilient flooring products up to 8 mm thick. Its industrial-grade steel blade produces smooth, clean cuts while minimizing edge damage. The long cutting handle provides excellent leverage, allowing effortless cutting without electricity or excessive force. The adjustable angle guide helps create accurate straight and angled cuts, improving installation quality and reducing material waste. The reinforced steel frame offers outstanding durability for frequent professional use. Users particularly appreciate its quiet operation, dust-free cutting process, and portability, making it suitable for indoor remodeling projects where minimizing cleanup is essential.
Product number 6. Goldblatt Stainless Steel Roofing and Flooring Knife. The Goldblatt Stainless Steel Roofing and Flooring Knife is a durable utility tool designed for precision trimming rather than full plank cutting. It excels at cutting carpet, linoleum, vinyl, wallpaper, roofing materials, insulation, and cable sheeting. Constructed from high-quality stainless steel, the hook blade delivers excellent durability and corrosion resistance. The soft grip ergonomic handle provides comfort and superior control, reducing fatigue during prolonged use. Its compact design allows installers to perform detailed trimming around corners, vents, walls, and difficult installation areas where larger cutters cannot reach. Although it cannot replace a dedicated laminate floor cutter, it serves as an essential finishing tool that every flooring installer should keep in their toolbox.